Hey guys, so I'm here today with Dr. Mary Shannon, Presley's pediatric dentist and a mom of two herself. And Mary just has the best advice for toddler tooth care, so here it is. So I had no idea when Presley started to get teeth that I was even supposed to brush them. When does it all start?
As soon as kids have teeth, that's when you want to get in there and start brushing. They may or may not open, and that's okay. It doesn't mean that you don't brush. The more consistent you are, the more that the children are going to know that this is just what you do. Under 1-year-old, you don't have to use toothpaste. I think you can just do it with a wet toothbrush. After 1, you definitely want to start with toothpaste and just a little smear where you barely see the color. And it's okay if they kind of chew and suck on the toothbrush.
So they don't need to spit it out?
They don't need to spit it out. If something tastes good, they're not going to want to spit, and that's okay. You can encourage them, kind of model it for them, but you can't really force them to spit.
How often do we need to be doing this?
Ideally twice a day. At nighttime is the most important.
Give us some tips for brushing, because it's kind of challenging for most moms.
If you have the type of child who wants to do everything themselves, have them make the choices. Which one would you like to try? Let them take the lead, let them do their little brushing, and then say, Mommy needs to practice too. Can you show me how to do that?
Let me go ahead and practice, okay?
If your child's just really had a rough time and they're not cooperating with you, right after the whole process,
give them a cookie.
No. Offer them a reward, maybe 5 minutes of extra reading time. Try to end on a good note.
You did awesome.
Especially with young ones, they know once that song is done, you're done.
Any song suggestions?
Brush our teeth.
Ooh, ooh. I dread to ask you this question. How often should you dental floss?
Every day.
Oh no!
The toothbrush isn't going to clean in between the teeth. The bacteria that causes cavities can still get in between the teeth.
Okay, please give us tips on how to floss.
The easiest floss to use, especially for little ones, are the little floss sticks, and be gentle about it. You know, kids have tight teeth. Don't push. Just gently kind of ease your way in there and floss where the teeth are touching, where you need to go.
I'll let you guys know how it goes. Mary, finally, foods to avoid.
The main thing are sticky carbohydrates. Things like raisins or any kind of dry fruit, goldfish crackers or even graham crackers.
What about juice? Is that just a complete no-no?
No, juice is okay, but take it during mealtime. You want to water down the juice a bit. Half-half is a good place to start. But if you're having the juice during mealtime, you're neutralizing those sugars with other foods. So it's not as cavity causing.
Well, Mary, thank you so much for those amazing tips. You guys have a great time brushing.
And flossing.
Well, we'll see you guys next week. Bye.
Brush our teeth. Brush our teeth.